Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use price alerts on cTrader app. So first in your device, of course, head over and open the cTrader app. Now from here in the watch list section, head over and select a currency pair or asset that you would like to trade. So say for example, we're going to pick Citigroup. So just click on it and scroll down and head over to the charts. We're just going to click on the full screen button or icon to see a larger view of the chart. Now from here at the bottom corner of your screen, look for this spiral icon or the drawing icon and click on it. Choose from the shapes available here, but you can simply use a horizontal line like this. So all you have to do is click on this line, and from here you can drag and drop this depending on the price alert that you would like to set. Then next is click on the bell icon at the bottom corner of your screen. And from here, you can see notify me when bid is higher than or equal to or ask is higher than or equal to. And all you have to do is choose between the two depending on the price alert that you would like to receive. So say for example, we want to be notified if bid is higher than or equal to the price alert that we set. So we're going to click on bid, and from then on, when the line reaches this certain point, we will then get a notification so then we can decide if we would like to trade or not. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!